What's up, guys? I got something super cool to show you today. These are the Loop Switch 2 adjustable noise dampening earplugs. And yeah, guys, check these out. So this is the case that they come in, right? This case is super tiny. Look at this, guys. Super tiny little case. You fit both of the earplugs in here. Yeah, guys, this will easily fit in your pocket, definitely fit in a bag or purse or carry on, whatever. I'm going to put this down. I just wanted to show you what the case looked like because this earplug is really interesting. I did say adjustable, so I want to show you that, but let's look at it. So it does come loaded with the medium size silicone tip. Loop does give you two additional tips right here. One is a small size, one is a large size to give you the best optimal fit for your ear. Luckily, right out of the box, the medium fit me perfectly. Now, guys, I said adjustable. Hopefully we can zoom in there. Okay, so you see those three little icons there, and there's a little switch. Okay, so you see that switch? I can actually go boom, boom. Did you see that? Boom and boom. Okay. So this gives you like adjustable noise dampening, which means at the most, you are going to get about 26 decibels of noise cancellation out of these earplugs. Now, I have headphones and earbuds that actually have way more noise cancellation, but those are powered noise cancellation like earbuds and headphones. These aren't powered. These are giving you that noise dampening just out of the box, which is pretty interesting. So it's going to give you at the most 26 decibels, which does a fairly good job. Okay, so think about it. If you're like on a train or if you're on a plane, maybe you're just trying to like catch a couple Z's like in the middle of your commute, you can just basically put these on, hit that noise dampening, and that should reduce some of the sound coming in your ear. Okay, like train sounds, airplane sounds, just people talking, right? It's not going to completely dampen everything out, but it's going to just dampen it enough to make it a little less like jarring, right? And again, it's just super cool. I actually have one in my ear. You actually couldn't even tell I had it in my ear because it's like really in there. Do you see what it looks like? It's basically just fits right in your ear. Okay, you basically just pop it in and boom, it's in there. Now, what's really nice, guys, is that because I have them in my ear, I actually have that little tab and I can actually adjust the noise dampening while it's in my ear. Okay, so if I want a little bit more, I can do that. And if I want a little less noise dampening, I can do that just really quickly inside my ear. Okay, now again, why would you want a little less? Because maybe you want to hear what's going on around you just a little bit more. Okay, guys, the Loop Switch 2, I actually think that these are really interesting and they have a ton of uses. Okay, like I said, traveling, commuting, heck, maybe you're just trying to focus in on like schoolwork and you just need to like keep your head down at a coffee shop. It'll just reduce a little bit of that outside commotion that's happening. It's just enough to cut the edge off. Anyway, guys, I think these are really great. They actually do work really well for me. Again, they're only giving you about 26 decibels of noise reduction. TN Reviews, these Loop Switch 2, super adjustable, really great, guys. TN Reviews, they're an absolute 2 thumbs up for me. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll catch you guys on the next one.